Hi everyone, Abhishek here from Key2 Blogging, and today I will review the Hostinger hosting. So I have been using the Hostinger hosting for about 2 years and I will share my experience about this hosting. So what are the pricing of the Hostinger, what are the speed performance of the hosting, how the support team works, and everything I will share in details. So watch the video till the end. So let's start with the pricing plans. So when you go to the hostinger.in or you can visit the hostinger.com, so you can use the link in the description. So this is an affiliate link and I will get a small commission and you don't have to pay any extra for that. So once you go to the Hostinger website and you will see a plan like this. So they offer 3 different plans. One is single web hosting, premium web hosting and business web hosting. So if you are living in any other country, then you can select the country from here so that it will show the currency according to the country. So as I am living in India, so it will showing the price in Indian currency. So in single web hosting you will get to host one website, and in premium and business hosting you can host up to 100 websites. But trust me, these plans will not handle 100 websites at a time. So you can only test different website. So if you want to host only one website, then you can consider the single web hosting. So in single web hosting you will get 30 GB of SSD storage, in premium you will get 100, and in business you will get 200 SSD storage. And the monthly visit capacity of this plan are different. So if you are getting around 10,000 visits per month, then you can consider the single web hosting. And if you are getting around 25,000 visits monthly, then you can consider the premium hosting plan. So I have been using the single web hosting and premium web hosting in Hostinger, and in all the plans you will get free SSL certificate for one website. And if you want to register a free domain, then you have to purchase the premium web hosting plan. In single web hosting plan you don't get the free domain. And here you can get unlimited bandwidth, and here you can easily install WordPress. And here in the single web hosting plan you will get 2 database, and in the premium plan you will get unlimited database. So here you can read all the features of this hosting plan. So if you take this hosting plan, so let me just select the premium web hosting plan here. So I will click on add to cart. So if you take 12 months of hosting, then it will cost you around $249 per month, and if you take for 24 months, then it will cost you around $199 per month. So the higher you take the plan, then the price will be lower, and they will also offer 30 days money back guarantee. So you can consider hosting as a best deal. So let's talk about the features of the Hostinger. So in Hostinger you will not get the C panel, here you will get the H panel. So let me just click on manage here. So this is how the Hostinger dashboard looks like this. So this is a H panel, and in Hostinger you will not get C panel. Instead of, they will provide you a H panel like this. So here you can easily manage your WordPress website. So to install WordPress you can simply go to the auto installer option, and here you can choose the WordPress option from here. And here you can select the website title. Here you can set the administrative email address and simply add the username and password and proceed to the next, so that it will install a new WordPress website in your Hostinger dashboard. Now let's click on back. And they also provide you backup. So if you want to take backup of your website, then you can simply take the files backup and database backup. So just click on the generate new backup and it will save the backup for you, so that in case if you do anything wrong in this process, then you can easily restore your website from backups. And you can also take daily backups, but it will cost you extra. But if you want to take automatic daily backup for free, then you can simply use a free plugin called Updraft Plus. So you can watch this video to learn more how to take automatic daily backup for free. So now let's go back, and here you will get the file manager option, and here you will get FTP accounts database option, and here also you will get a built-in cache manager, so you don't need to install any caching plugin for that. So Hostinger will take care of that caching, and here you can pause the caching using this option. Now let's go back, and this is how the Hostinger Ads panel looks like this. And you can also manage your SSL by clicking on the SSL tab, and here you will get lifetime SSL for free in one domain. And you can also get email address support, so you can easily create a professional email using their email plans. So let's check how the speed or how the server response time of Hostinger. So as you can see, I am using the Hostinger hosting. So let me just copy the URL of my website, and I will go to page speed insight. So let's go to the website, and I will enter my URL and I will click on analyze. So let's wait for the result. Okay, now scroll down, and as you can see, the page speed is around 98, and let me just select the initial server response time. So as you can see, it is around 1 second. So you can easily improve your page speed using the Hostinger hosting. So Hostinger will easily provide you a good server response time. Now let's talk about the customer support. So in Hostinger, you will get two type of support. Either you can send an email or you can directly chat with the customer executive. So here you can easily add any of the issue like this. So if you want to install the WordPress website, or if you want to restore a WordPress website, or if your site is down, then you can simply select this option, and here you can select the chat now option, and here you can set your hosting, and you can describe the issue like my website speed is slow. So here you can describe the issue and send a message. Okay, now let's click on chat now option, and it will enter a chat now box like this, and it will show a queue message like this. So generally it takes around 5 to 15 minutes to get the reply, but Hostinger support is not that bad, but they tends to reply around 5 to 10 minutes. So as you can see, they have replied within 2 to 3 minutes, and sometimes it takes 5 to 10 minutes to reply the message. So overall, Hostinger is a very good hosting that you can consider, and their pricing plan is very good, and make sure to take at least for 12 months or 24 months to get better discounts. And if you have any doubt regarding Hostinger, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to purchase Hostinger, then you can use the link in the description. And if this video is helpful to you, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe Key to Blogging. Thank you.